In this video, I'll show you how to find your TurboTax account. So to be able to view the list of your TurboTax accounts, your Intuit account, first sign out of your account. Otherwise, you'll be thrown into a loop in step 2. So go to our Let's Get You Signed In page, enter your email address, phone number, or user ID, and we'll send a code to either your email address or your phone. Enter the code we've sent you, and we'll show you a list of your accounts. Select the one you want to sign into. Have multiple TurboTax account, pick one and stick with it when you do future tax returns, and that way we can automatically transfer your tax info over the year after year. It also makes accessing your prior year returns much easier, and that is how you can basically find and view your TurboTax account. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.